what you're about to show us now is not a system, right? So it's developed all your years of trading experience into these algorithms.
Yeah, it's not a system. It's not a system in a general view, like what we used to do before, what you see on the market. Tradejuice is a platform that was built from a lot of different algos. And the idea of the Tradejuice was developed to help me to find a trades faster. I honestly never actually believed that we are going to generate so many trades, because my goal was to find 3 to 5 trades every single day, and that's all I actually cared about. But after we finished this, and it took us a year, and we are still, technically speaking, working on improving our software. Because you know me, I'll never stop improving. This part entire is our statistic. Our statistic from a live account, from account that's mine, my pension account. And as you see, we had over 22,000 of trades. This is statistics for a year and a half. This week alone, we had 530 setups. Now, let me be clear right away, since a lot of people confuse this number and get scared. There is no point, and there is no actual need for anyone to have 530 trades or have 22,000 trades to be profitable. This was more for me to make sure that I have a live data and live results, and that's all. Because I have main algo that trade all this, but I'm still using the Tradejuice on my own other accounts, like you show them the statement, where you see that I didn't have 530 trades. I try to take 3 to 4 trades, maybe 5 at the daily, and that's all. That's all I actually care. Average risk reward is 1 to 3. We can have it higher, but at the moment, there is no actual need. With 1 to 3, with current win rate, there is more than a good chance that everyone will be in profit. So there is no need. Like, we can easily move it. We had it at the start, as you remember, setups with 1 to 8, 1 to 10, even higher risk rewards, and they all work still. But there is no point. I want relaxed trading, not someone saying, I missed a trade that could make me $10,000 for risking only 1,000 and things like that. Like, I wanted to have stress-free part. Right below there, what we have is a hot list. That's a group of all the channels, like how we call all the asset groups channels, like where you see Forex, crypto, commodities, and indices all in one place. This entire hot list contains signals from 5 minutes all the way to daily time frame. You can have a little bit more filters if you go to the channel homepage on the menu, and we'll show that part. But technically speaking, you don't need it. All you need to get is this part, where you see the instrument name, time when the signal came, time frame of the signal, direction that you should be trading, entry level, target level, stop loss, risk reward, and current phase.
Yeah.
That's all. Like, you can get more data.
Yeah, everything you need to trade, like I mentioned earlier, exact entry, exit, it's all displayed. No need to look at a system. It's all there.
You don't need anything. Like, you can, technically speaking, get it. Everything is automatically being updated.
Hi guys, I'm on the Tradejuice platform and I see a whole bunch of high probability trades, and I'm going to have a look at entering one now, the euro pound on a 15-minute. I'm going bullish. I've got my entry, target, stop levels, and if I had to look at the chart right now, you can see this is where price is. So I do want to set up a new order, bullish order, so I'm going to buy, and all I need to do now is just have a look at where my entry would be, which is that. I'm going to copy it. And because price is not at that level yet, I'm going to enter a pending order, and I'm going to enter a buy stop limit at this price. It's as simple as that. I just put it in, and now next I'm going to set my target, and that's just a copy paste situation here. I put that into my take profit area, and then I'm going to also do the same with my stop loss. So here we go, and there's my stop. And if I had to look at the chart, it's telling me that I can enter it at that point there, and there's my targets. I've chosen one of them, and there's my stop loss there. So that's how it's going to be put up on the chart. And so let's do that. So just as the traders had suggested, I have placed a pending order here at the green line. So as price moves up, if price hits that target, it'll open the trade, and then I'll be looking upwards towards hitting my target here. My stop has been placed here. So at the moment, I'm just going to let this run, and I'll be back shortly just to keep an eye on it to see if my pending order has been hit and the progression of the trade. Be back shortly. All right, guys, and I'm back, and the trade has already played out in just a short while, just under half an hour, and I've made $441.61. And there's the trade on the chart. That's where I entered. That's where the stop was placed, and that's where the target was hit. As you can see, just 2 candles later, we exited the trade in profit. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, and I'm on the hot list today for traders, and one of the trades amongst all the many here that I'm looking at trading is the pound CHF 4-hour chart. There it is displayed there, telling me my entry point, risk, target, stop loss, and so on. Let's see what the chart looks like. It looks identical to mine. That's where the entry point should be, the take profit target is there, and the stop loss down here. So all I need to do to enter this trade is to open up the charts and then look to see where it tells me to enter. So I'm going to enter there and set a pending order. This is bullish, so I'm going to set a buy stop. All is explained in the traders members area, of course. And I'm going to just also add the target, that price there. And do that now. And you can also set our stop. Of course, while I'm making this video, it takes a bit longer than usual. Here we go. I've set my buy stop at that price there. Take profit target here. And it'll trigger my entry at the area. The C price is currently here. Once it moves up and touches the entry point there, I'll be in the trade. The trade will be triggered. Stop loss is set here, and my take profit target up here. I'll be back to monitor this for you. Hi guys, so I'm back. We can see that this trade played out nicely so far. We're about halfway to target, and I'm already in $3,000 profit. Now there's still a way to go. This is a 4-hour chart, so what I'm going to do is a bit of trade management. And I'm going to modify my stop loss slightly. It's part of the general rules for trade management that we would make use of. And let's do that. Okay, so I've moved it up to here, and we're going to let this trade play out for the next while and see how it goes. So I'll be back to monitor this. Hi guys, I'm back, and I've put this trade up onto the charts. You can see that we entered the trade there. It did reverse, but came right back up and hit me out here with my stop in profit. And we did place our target higher, and I decided to use some trade management, and this worked out perfectly. I have $2,382.09 made over this time on the 4-hour pound CHF chart. And, well, a great trade. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, I'm on my gold USD chart, 15 minutes. And the reason I'm on here again is because I've got an alert that on gold, I can go bullish on the 15-minute chart. And my entry is just where the chart is at now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter this trade, buy a trade. And here we go. I'm just going to set my take profit target and very easily just set my stop. Copy and paste essentially. And that's it. And now I'm going to enter a buy trade. And there I'm in the trade. My target is there. My stop is here. And let's just see how this plays out. I'll be back shortly. And I'm back just to keep an eye on the trade. Just a few minutes later, see I'm up by over $300 within minutes. I'll come back again shortly. And still just a few minutes in, and we're up to $400 at the moment. Price nearly hit it. Hit the target is back down, but let's wait and see what happens. I'll be back again shortly. Okay, we're still in the trade and it's moving higher and higher. We've got well over $1,000 now. Let's just let this play out. It's just been about half an hour, 30 minutes or so into the trade, so it's not bad going so far. And it's climbing still. I want to see it hit that target. I'll be back just now. All right, guys, and there we have it. It's just hit the target. I just missed that with a few seconds, but let's put this on. There we can see the entry point, the exit, and my stop loss, which was never in any danger, and $1,460 in the bag in well under an hour. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone, and I'm on the TradeJuice platform. I see that there is a setup occurring right now on the New Zealand dollar, 1 hour, bearish. I've got my entry, target, stop, my risk to reward set. And if I had to check the trade, I can see where to enter, where to set my stop, and where to set my take profit target. So I'm about to enter that now. What I'm going to do is go to the New Zealand dollar, and I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame, and I'm going to enter a new order. Price is not yet at the point of entry, so I'm going to set up a pending order. All I'm going to do is copy the entry, and I'm going to put that in, and we're going bearish, so I'm going to put this in as a sell stop at price such, and then all I have to do is copy over my target, which is my take profit, and I'm going to put that in right here, and I just set my stop, and that's displayed for me here. So I just copy that over, and of course it's taking me a while to do this because I'm recording at the same time, but normally it would just take a few seconds. There we go. Trade is on screen, and what we can see is that if price moves down to this point here where the green line is, my order will be opened. I'll be in the trade, and then I'll be targeting towards this level here. My stop is up here, and all I have to do right now is just let the market play out, and I'll be back a bit later to give you an update on the progress. And I'm back, and we can see that my entry has just been hit, and so we're in the trade, and I'll be back to monitor progression of the trade. That's my target there, that's my stop loss, and there's where price is at the moment. Okay, and I'm back just to check on the progress, and I can see that so far we're up $900 just over, and price is heading towards our target. I'll be back soon. Okay, and I'm back, and I've just put this trade back onto the chart so that you can see the trade played out very well. Over just a course of 4 hours, I made $1,634.48. So there we got into the trade, we set our stop there, and that's the target. Easy trade. Thank you for watching. So I'm on the hot list for today on the TradeJuice members area, and at the moment I'm looking at the pound CHF Swiss franc 15 minutes. Let's put it up to the 1 hour chart. I've got a signal that I can enter this pretty soon, and I'm going to go short. It's telling me to go short. It tells me where to enter, target, and where to place my stop. So there's my MT4 chart. There's the TradeJuice chart telling me the entry, stop, and the targets. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to simply set the entry point, because price has not yet reached that point as yet. I'm going to set, as opposed to a market execution or execution, immediate execution, I'm going to enter a pending order, and I'm going to go short. So I'm going to put in a sell stop, which means that once price hits that level there, which is somewhere down here, then I will be in the trade. The trade will be triggered, and then it will set my target for me, which I'm now going to just copy over. That's my take profit target. Okay. Just simply copy paste what the site tells me to do, or I could just type it. And there we go. So I'm on the pound CHF, and we're about to then enter the trade. So let me just zoom in a little bit. You can see that once price heads back down towards this level, we'll then be in the trade if it hits that level. So I would look forward to it moving down towards my take profit target area there, and my stop is set there. And although it took a while just to demonstrate this as I was doing it live, it in fact would just take seconds if I wasn't making a video and audio and so on for this. So let's come back as soon as we have any progress here. Hey guys, and I'm back, and as we can see here, I've put the trade on the screen. We had a very successful trade, was never in any danger, and you can see we entered here, stop loss was up here, take profit target was here, and it hit just a short while ago. In a matter of a few hours, less than a day, $4,530 profit. Excellent trade, great platform. Thanks for watching. Adrian here, and I'm on the pound Japanese yen. I've just had a look at the hot list for today on the TradeJuice platform, and amongst all the trades, I've selected one, the pound Japanese yen 15-minute chart, and TradeJuice displays this for me. I've got the entry point set out, target, my stop, and it's just gone under the entry point. So I'm going to enter a market execution order now. I'm going to set my target, and I'm going to put that into, and I'm going to select my stop. Go bearish. Got in here. Stop is set up here. Take profit target is here, as indicated on the trade platform. So I'll be back to keep you posted on developments here. Hi guys, I'm back, and well, we can see that within about 15 minutes, my take profit target was hit. For this trade, I'm in profit $583.60. Not bad for a quick 15-minute or so trade. And that's it up here on the screen. The stop loss was up here, never in any danger. Price moved down, hit my entry point there, and went on straight to the target. Great trade. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so I'm on the TradeJuice platform, and I can see many potential entries here. I'm looking at this one here, the pound USD 1 hour for a bearish signal, and I've got my entry, target, stop loss, and it even lets me know where those points are on the chart. So this is my MT4 platform right here. So I'm going to enter the suggested trade, which is a sell trade, bearish trade. Entry point is at this point here, and this would be a pending order as price is still above the actual entry point, and I'm going to do is copy over the target. So I'm putting in my take profit target there. Next, I want to just copy over the stop. I do is copy paste, and there we go. Paste the trade, and we should be in the trade straight away once it hits that area there for the sell stop. And I'll just let that play out a bit. There's where our take profit target's been set as per the suggestions, and the stop loss as indicated on the chart on TradeJuice. So let's get back to looking at this trade as it progresses. I'll be back in a short while to let you know how it plays out once it hits that sell stop. Okay guys, and I'm back, and we can see that the trade has played out nicely. I entered here. Let me just zoom in a little bit, and we can see that within just within a couple of hours the trade played out. My take profit target was hit, and that was a quick $240. Thanks for watching.
Like if you click on that euro pound, you would get to the page where you see the chart. Actually, you don't need to see the chart, in my opinion, and I'm not looking at the chart anymore. But still, I know a lot of people love to get the chart, and that's why we call it. Let me just try to find my MT4 to see if we can actually place the trade like here, just to explain you how I use it. Let's say euro pound. I have so many accounts. Every broker have a different names. Okay. So all I need to do from this moment would be to copy paste the numbers into my terminal. So right clicking, trading, new order. Everything is the pending order. So it's a buy stop or a sell stop. And I just need to copy this part. Then I go copy the target, paste it here into the take profit, click the stop loss. Now, what I do, just because we have so many trades, I click the expiry option, make it 2 hours from current time, click place. And that's all. If in 2 hours this trade doesn't get filled up, it's automatically going to be removed. And I don't need to worry if market changed or not. I know it's going to be removed, and that's all. Maybe if the trade was found on some higher time frame, I wouldn't use just 2 hours, but you get the point. And that was actually pretty easy.